Do you want to reach hundreds or even thousands of your customers on WhatsApp? Then you are in the right place. Because in this tutorial, I am going to show you the easiest way to reach 10,000 plus contacts directly on WhatsApp using Pabbly Chatflow broadcast. By the end of this video, you will know how to upload your contacts, create a broadcast campaign, send a test broadcast, and finally publish your campaign to your customers. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. As you can see, I am already inside my Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After testing the tool, if you'd like to purchase it, then don't forget to use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get a heavy discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow. As in this tutorial, we are going to create a broadcast WhatsApp campaign. So I am going in this broadcast feature. See, this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. By using this, you can easily send WhatsApp messages to your predefined list of contacts. It is perfect for announcement, promotions, or updates. Means you can reach all of your customers on WhatsApp without getting banned. Now, before creating our broadcast campaign, let's first see how you can add customer contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you have to go to the contact section and click on the plus add contact button. Here you can add contacts in two ways. You can either add them one by one manually or import them in bulk. I recommend importing contacts in bulk because it saves a lot of time and reduces manual work. For bulk import, you need to upload contacts in your CSV file. Now, what is CSV file? See, a CSV file is simply a file that stores your contact data in a simple table format. You can easily create one using Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. As you can see, I have already prepared my customer data, means their first name, last name, and phone number in Google Sheets. Once your data is ready, simply download it in a CSV format. Because only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, which means you can import up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. Now for uploading a new CSV file, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file and upload a file from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I am selecting this from here and clicking on this insert button. After that, you just have to click on this plus add contact button. So this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. For creating a contact list, you have to click on this plus option. I have already created some list before. Now let's move to the most important part of this tutorial, that is creating our broadcast campaign. See, for creating a new broadcast campaign, you have to click on this plus add broadcast button. First, select the broadcast type from here, that I am selecting as broadcast campaign. Next, enter the name of your broadcast. I'll simply name it test broadcast. After that, here you need to select the contact list to which you want to send the broadcast message. I'll select the leads list as a dummy example. Below that, you will see refine audience. It is an optional. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contact that are present inside the list that you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from this drop down. After that, you can enable this toggle to skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive a broadcast message again. Next, we have to select the message type. Here you will see two options. One is pre-approved template message and the second one is regular message. The option you choose is completely depends on your use case. If your customer already has an active 24-hour window conversation, then you can use regular message. But if your 24-hour window has expired, you'll need to use pre-approved template message, which must already be approved by WhatsApp. For this tutorial, I'll select pre-approved template message. After that, I'm clicking on this button. In this tutorial, for the testing purpose, I am selecting this grocery deals template. With this template message, I want to add one image. For that, I am clicking on this option. And if you want to upload a new image, then you can click on this button and upload it from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I am selecting this from here and clicking on this insert button. After that, I am clicking on this done button. So this is the final look of the WhatsApp template that your customers will receive. Now, for creating this type of attractive templates, you have to go in this templates feature. See, this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. The templates section allows you to create and manage your WhatsApp messages templates in one place. These templates are very useful when you want to send messages like promotional offers, order updates, appointment reminders, or any other business messages. Instead of creating the same message again and again, you can simply create a template once and use it whenever you need. You can also add images, videos, documents, buttons, and dynamic variables to make your messages more personalized. For creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create templates inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. Once your template is approved by WhatsApp, you can use it in your broadcast campaigns, chatbots, or automations. After selecting the template, I'm going to test this broadcast. So for that, I am entering the username as test user and my number here just only for the testing purpose. After entering the number, I am clicking on the send test message button. See, it says that test broadcast sent. Now I'm going to show you my WhatsApp account. Look at this. Immediately, I received the same template that I have selected here. This means that till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Next, you need to schedule the broadcast. It will provide you two options as yes schedule for later and no send instantly. So if you want to send this template to all of your contacts that are present inside the list immediately, then you can select the option as no send instantly and click on this plus add broadcast button. But if you want to schedule this template for later, then you can select this option. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast campaign for later. So for that, I am selecting this option and selecting the date and time as well. Let's say I want to schedule this message on 30th of June at 12 p.m. See, on 30/6/2026 at 12 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of the contacts that are present inside the list. After that, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. And that's it. This is how easily you can reach thousands of customers on WhatsApp using Pabbly Chatflow broadcast. Instead of sending messages one by one, you can create a broadcast once and send it to all your selected customers in just few clicks. So whether you want to promote an offer, launch a new product, or share an important update, WhatsApp broadcast makes it simple and saves you a lot of time. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this button and export the report from here. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.